Okay, so the swearing and over-deviating going on with whoever this is, no doubt at Nottingham. See if Mega Chippie channel is there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Right, I think we can go at that.
Roger Dodger, right. I'll talk to you when you're passing the house.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Diddly Dodger. And I've not got a tone control for you, so that's it.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger on that, and we're not late. I think it's about 7:40.
Yeah, roughly that. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Midland 2001 belonging to Mr. Benefactor Alan. He's doing 3.3 watts, and I'm on my standard replacement mic. Over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger. Roger, got you going over Wilsford at level crossing. What's the temperature on that car showing?
Yeah, it's -3.
Ah, Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on Allen, Midland 2001, doing 3.3 watts, drawing 835 milliamps to do that, and it doesn't have low power, so there's nothing more I can really tell you. Over.
Yep, right, well that was all received very well, thank you.
And at least I've remembered it doesn't have low power this time.
Correct.
Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you back on the move.
Roger. Tango 21. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roseby level crossing.
Roger, got you going over.
You'll probably want petrol prices 139.9, 148.9.
Yeah, that's fine. That works absolutely great. Thanks very much. 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21.
You've been and gone.
From Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Roseby level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Roseby level crossing. You seem to have a false start there.
You'll probably want petrol prices 139.9, 148.9.
Yep, that's fine. That works absolutely great. Thanks very much. 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Right, well that did. It worked fine. So we're going to go over to the microphone and put a new insert in. So because it's no longer a genuine mic, is it? Because it's got a different insert in it. So we'll see how that sounds, but I think ours will be a bit crisper.
Tango 21, testing Midland 2001 with our standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember there's no low power, so I can't do that hum test. Now we'll go to that factory original mic with the new insert. And testing the factory original mic with the new insert. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have a hardwired 402 MPA also from Allen, which will be the subject of tomorrow's service video. Thanks for watching.